In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload to GitHub from Windows using Visual Studio Code. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, understanding how to efficiently manage and share your code is crucial. So let's dive right into it. First, start by opening your Visual Studio Code application on Windows. Once you're in, you need to access the terminal, which you can do by navigating to the top menu and selecting Terminal followed by New Terminal. This will open up a command line interface right inside vscode. Now you'll want to navigate to your project folder. Enter the command cd c+path to your project. Ensure you replace c+path to your project with the actual path where your project files are stored. Hit enter, and this command changes the directory to your project's location. With your terminal now pointed to your project's directory, it's time to initialize a Git repository. Simply type git init and press enter. This command will set up a new Git repository in your project folder, making it ready to track changes. Next, we need to stage all the files for the first commit. By typing git add into and hitting enter, you tell Git to include all the files in your project folder. The period after add signifies all files in the directory. Now it's time to commit these files. Run the command git commit initial commit. The M flag allows you to add a commit message, and here we're using initial commit as our message. This creates a commit with your current progress. Following the commit, you'll need to set the branch to main. Do this by entering git branch nm main. This command renames the default branch to main, which is a modern convention replacing master. The next step is to link your local Git repository to a remote repository on GitHub. Type in git remote add origin https github.com, your username, your repository GitHub. Being sure to replace your username and your repository with your GitHub username and the name of your repository, respectively. This command sets the remote location where you'll be pushing your code. Finally, execute git push origin main. This command pushes your committed code to the main branch of the GitHub repository you specified. The OPU flag sets up a tracking connection between your local and remote branches. For future uploads after you make changes to your project, execute git pull and git add, and in git commit, m update project, and in git push. This combination ensures you pull down any changes from GitHub, stage, and commit your updates, and then push them. Alternatively, if you prefer using the VS Code graphical interface, start by opening your project folder in Visual Studio Code. Click on the source control icon or press Ctrl+Shift+G, and then select Initialize Repository. Stage your files using the plus icons next to your files, enter a commit message, and click Commit. Finally, select Publish to GitHub, sign in if prompted, and choose whether your repository should be public or private. By following these steps, you should now have your project successfully uploaded to GitHub. Remember to regularly commit and push your changes to keep your repository updated. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.